Welcome to the StatTree Video Help module for Command Prompt Kernel Restart. To run tests on your data in Julia, you may need to restart the kernel, such as after installing a new package. This can be accomplished with a simple command at the Julia prompt in Visual Studio Code. In the Julia terminal in VS Code, press on the plus sign next to the kernel name. This will start a new base terminal. At the prompt, type Julia, then hit Enter. Pay attention to the terminal pane. Here will be displayed any messages, including errors if the kernel cannot be restarted. Typically, a new prompt will display. The kernel is now ready to accept new commands or run new scripts.